love Jamaica now. What's Jamaica love? Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
It gives me great pleasure to present this citation to Rihanna, Devon Gordon, better known to you as Missy Singer. However, it is most appropriate after your birthday that we give this citation to the man who has made the most consequential change to the Happy Birthday song. One more year from there, Missy Singer.
Sound of the thing there!
Most honorable, this has been a long time. I've been doing this for years. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful. I'm honored, it's gratitude all of you. This is for Jamaica. This
Turn around.
It gives me great pleasure to present this citation to Honey Charles. We all know him and love him as Wayne Wonder. Greetings, everyone. I'm truly honored to receive this award. Thanks to the Minister of Brain, Prime Minister Andronis, the government of Jamaica, my family, my team, and to everyone who has been a part of my journey, especially fans here in Jamaica and around the world.
But the saddest day of my life is a Jamaica with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain, the pain, the pain. The saddest day of my life is a Jamaica with a broken heart. I was going insane. So you may have been, come on, a movie star. You made a try, a big fast guy, but I love you. Come on now, in every way. This time, I love you in every way. I don't know why. Every voices. I don't know why. This side. Ladies, got somebody. She has a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's 30